Far away in the forest lives a little woman and a little old man. They love each other a lot. Every day, the little woman bakes delicious cakes and cookies for the little old man. He loves to eat. One day, the little woman makes a gingerbread cookie. She puts it into the oven. It smells delicious. The gingerbread is ready. It's hot. She puts it on the table. Oh no! The gingerbread man jumps out and runs away. The little man and woman shout, "Stop! Stop! Stop! Stop!" But the gingerbread man laughs.
Run, run, as fast as you can catch me on the gingerbread man.
And the gingerbread man runs faster. Then he meets a brown and white cow. She's chewing grass.
Oh, a gingerbread man. Yummy. Stop, stop.
But the gingerbread man laughs.
Run, run, as fast as you can catch me on the gingerbread man.
And the gingerbread man runs faster. He meets a big brown bear. He is eating honey.
A gingerbread man. Yummy. Stop, stop.
But the gingerbread man laughs.
Run, run, as fast as you can catch me on the gingerbread man.
And the gingerbread man runs faster. Suddenly, he sees a river.
Oh no, a river!
A fox sees the gingerbread man.
Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, a gingerbread man. Yummy. I can help.
No, you will eat me. Oh no, I don't like cookies.
The gingerbread man jumps on his tail. They swim. But the water is high.
Oh no, I'm getting wet.
Jump on my back.
The gingerbread man jumps on the back.
Fox, I'm getting wet.
Jump on my head.
The gingerbread man jumps on the head.
Fox, I'm getting wet.
Jump on my nose.
The gingerbread man jumps on the fox's nose and...
Yum, yum.
Snips, snap, the fox eats him. But after all, isn't that what cookies are for?